you need to learn how to talk to a lady.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I have something really fun and exciting for you guys. But before that, do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the like button and share this video with your friends. So today I was really excited when I heard about this new launch product, and nowadays we are really skeptical of what all we bring into our homes and whether it will carry a lot of germs and various kinds of viruses, and how can we get rid of them. So in the first place, the brand Organic Harvest has introduced a nice range of products which are like a vegetable and fruit cleaner and also surface disinfectants. They also have a few ranges of hand washes also. So I was really lucky and I got to try two of their products. So I am here to share what I feel about these two products. So without any further ado, let's just get started. I would like to tell you a little bit about the brand Organic Harvest. So this brand is particularly into organic products. They have a variety of range which includes skin care, hair care, body care, and also a nice range of essential oils as well. So I was quite surprised by the brand because they believe in having organic ingredients and being free from all sorts of nasties like germicides and mineral oils. So all of their products have a certain nice value to them, and also I believe that they also have you can just check out their website, and they have a certification also which speaks a lot about the integrity of the brand. The vegetable and fruit wash, and this is what it looks like. It comes in a really nice spray bottle, which is quite amazing because having a spray is always a time saver of an aspect. And beginning with the ingredients, I was really happy to know that they have really safe organic ingredients. That's what the brand believes in. And also the fact that it has various natural antibacterial and anti-germing kind of oils which are the base of this product. So tea tree forms the base, and it also has a nice green color to it. So I'll also show you how to use this products for your fruits and vegetables, and I've been using this for about a week or so, and I quite like the product for what it stands for, and also the fact that it is 100% safe to use on vegetables, which is a plus point because you should not be washing your vegetables with detergents and any sort of harmful cleaning agents. This particular one, which is by the brand Organic Harvest, is a really good option and alternative for washing your vegetables. So moving on to the next launch, which is their hand wash, and this is particularly the alcohol based tea tree variant, and I quite like the packaging of it. It's a nice cubic sort of a packaging, and I really like the fact that they've clearly mentioned that they do not use any mineral oil and also any sort of animal ingredients, which is quite amazing to say about this hand wash. And I also like that they've clearly mentioned each of the detail where they've written about how to use it and also what will be the main ingredients of the product. And this particular one, when I've used it for about 1 week or so, I feel that it did not strip my hands of moisture. It has aloe vera basically, so that is responsible for giving back the nourishment to your skin. So I also would like to appreciate that this product again is retails for 115 rupees only, and being an organic product, I feel that this is quite a nice price point for it. And you get like a nice dispenser bottle also, and you can also reuse this bottle and refill it later, and I'll also show you how to use this product. So friends, this was my review of these two particular new launches from the House of Organic Harvest, and if you like this video, do not forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to my channel, and do comment below and let me know if you'd like to purchase any of these products. And also do not forget that the link of this product will be in the description box below, so do check that out and do subscribe to my channel. It will mean a lot to me, and I will be back with fun and interesting videos for you guys. Take care. Bye.